So here is our lime tree, guys, or calamondin tree. We have to harvest some because they are getting bigger. So the most virgin tree is not full of. So I could easily remove that through my hand, but I won't do that. Instead, I'm gonna do this. Like that, so it can grow more after this. Can I remove this? I probably need 5. Mostly bigger, doesn't matter if they fall down, you're gonna use it anyway. There's heaps of calamansi everywhere. I'm so glad that this is the second time fruiting since we bought it from the nursery. Whoop. We have 3 full. This bottom here is a little bit smaller, still growing. This one here, she's kind of yellow. It must be getting matured. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one more, one bigger one. Maybe this one here. So it's not super heavy with this one here. There's more. Okay, should be enough, guys, because otherwise it's too much for the chicken to marinate. Alright, let's go. Thanks, garden. Thank you, calamondin, calamansi, lime, citrus. Amazing, and I will see you next time. Alright, let's go. So we have this calamansi. I use them all, and we got this one to put all the marination. And I'm gonna cut this first now, and then onion, garlic, and this, and salt, pepper. We got chicken stock or vegetable stock. If you got something to sweeten like honey or anything you like, you can, for sugar. Okay, which was this? So first, guys, we're gonna do this calamansi or lime or calamondin call here in English, and then we're gonna make juice and put this one, all the ingredients for marination.